Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to Pilates for Periods, where today we will focus on a quick 5-minute yoga flow for any time of the day. So grab your mat and meet me in downward facing dog. Inhale and lift your right leg to three-legged dog. Then exhale and step forward into your pigeon's pose. Uncurl your toes and lower your left knee to the mat. Inhale and open your chest to the sky. Then exhale and lower your forehead to the mat. Take an inhale, then exhale and lift up. Inhale and lift your left leg, hooking it into your left arm. Exhale and lift your right arm up and connect with your left hand for mermaid. Take an inhale, then exhale and release your hands, lowering your leg and hands to the mat. Inhale and lift your left knee from the mat, then exhale into three-legged dog. Inhale and lower your right leg to the mat and exhale. Other side. Inhale and lift your left leg into three-legged dog, then exhale and step forward into your pigeon's pose. Uncurl your toes and lower your right knee to the mat. Inhale and open your chest to the sky, then exhale and lower your forehead to the mat. Take an inhale, then exhale and lift up. Inhale and lift your right leg, hooking it into your right arm, then exhale and lift your left arm up and connect with your right hand for mermaid. Take an inhale, then exhale and release your hands, lowering your leg and hands to the mat. Inhale and lift your right knee from the mat, then exhale into three-legged dog. Inhale and lower your left leg to the mat. Pedal your heels if this feels comfortable. Take an inhale, then exhale and jump into a cross-legged seated position. Cross your right foot over your left knee. Inhale and lift your left arm up. Then exhale and twist over to the right, lowering your left arm over your right knee and bringing your right arm behind you. Inhale and untwist. Then exhale and switch the positions of your legs. Inhale and lift your right arm up. Then exhale and twist over to the left, lowering your right arm over your left knee and bringing your left arm behind you. Inhale and untwist. Then exhale and set your feet on the mat. Inhale and place your arms straight in front of you. Then exhale and lower your back to the mat, vertebra by vertebra. Adjust yourself on your mat if you need to. Inhale, then exhale and lift your hips to glute bridge. Inhale and set your hands facing backwards by your shoulders. Then exhale and lift up to wheel pose. Inhale, then exhale. Inhale, then exhale and bend your elbows and lower back to the mat. Inhale, then exhale and bring your knees to your chest, lifting your head and shoulders off the mat, tucking your chin to your chest. Inhale, grab your feet, then exhale into baby's pose. Rock side to side if this feels comfortable. Inhale, then exhale and set your feet on the mat. Great job, beautiful beings. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful day ahead. Peace.